What's up, guys? So this is the last day in Los Angeles. Before I headed out, I took these. This hits you around 90 minutes. Pretty good. After that, I'm going to Huntington Beach. Yesterday I was supposed to go to the Broad, but I had to buy the ticket before I came. So today I'm going at 10 a.m., which is in around 30 minutes. It's around 9:30 and the Broad opens up at 10 a.m. I'm gonna catch that. But I'm waiting on my Uber right now. It's 3 minutes away. I got so much stuff, like I don't even know if I can take all this on the plane with me. I'm not gonna give it to somebody. $15 to get in. I'll leave the hours of operation, but that was cool, man. So when you go in the museum, they'll only let you check in one bag, and if you have a backpack, you have to wear it in the front. They wouldn't let me take my selfie stick inside, so I kind of had to film it. In the 360 video, you'll probably see my fingers in there. So if you come, you can just pack light. But since I have to leave today, I have to carry all this stuff with me until I store it in Huntington Beach. So the Uber ride took about 40 minutes and I'm at Huntington Beach right now. I'm just gonna chill out before my next flight. So look at this view. So you're running late, and it's not even like you. You were doing so well. Did the dog eat your homework again? Help my head, and it's not even like you. You were doing so well. Did the dog eat your homework again? I'm falling in love. I've been feeling you are. I am falling in love. Leaves at 6, but I gotta get there early, so I might get something to eat, but yeah, I gotta leave this beach. I wish I could stay longer. Should have got the second one, but I don't think I have. Man, I had so much fun being here. I wish I'd stayed longer.